Yeah, I'm a pretty little Barbie. Got the body of a goddess. Woman, you wear your mouth average. I'ma know you love it badness. Yes, you got the tightest. Lick like a vice grip. Oh, me flex you.
What's up, everybody? Back again for another video. And we're at the airport. We're going to Jamaica for my grandma's birthday. One of the family them I got there down there. So bay vibes and whatever. There's a keel. And Sam and mommy over there. It is currently 4:26. Plane take off at 6 sitting. So we try to wait for food. Me hungry, but me not sleep yet. But I'll soon get back with you guys. That's mommy. Okay. That's Akil. That's Sam. Okay, update. Me to fall asleep on plane, so me couldn't video nothing. We just come out of the airport. We're waiting on my father. Kill him dead. Him I go, so what? Must be say at 10 o'clock you say. Sir, how you get 10 and 7 mix up? Crazy. Daddy, say hi.
Hi, Nia. Hi, Sam. Hi, Akil.
Trying to find food right now, so everybody just kinda on edge. So
Where you want this?
you need to calm down. Grandma, say hello to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Good girl, yeah.
This is for my dad. Come to me, girl, can't you see? I want it more, really clear.
Yeah.
End of time.
Lizard just jumped on my mother.
This is around the fire. Yeah, make too much noise. Lizard afraid. I hear the man out there. And she in it too, you know. And she feel up, feel see it too, you know. And an extra check we, you know. And I said, you done? Where you come from? When he asked me, I walk up to him, so I said, Jamaica. So I ask you one more time. I said, right, I said, no, the man never Jamaica did. The man I said, that's not how you answer a question when police talk. I said, well, you know, we start getting intelligent. I said, well, the question was very vague. The question was very vague, so you know it was a general question. If you never asked me live, you never asked me my address. You must say, well, in the future, when you deal with police, I say, well, when I usually deal with police. After me I deal with him, so him not with me again. He might turn him back and I go on his phone. When the man just park and he must say, look, he didn't put on a way, you know. I'm on a license, you know, and he must have good license. Lord gosh. So when they stop him now, I say, look here. I say, man, just say it, man, say clear. What they going now?
I need a drink. I said, I'm not a drink, you know. I drop up the girl. Dig up on bus jump, good lick. The entire Pinky in car. Pinky must know one of them because I see my bail off, my laugh and see with them. Out of Corolla, Axio.
Police are looking at me.
2011.
Me ask you, they stop me right in front of Manchester.
Police have a thief car and they have a man car.
The man stopped me and said, well, I speak with the gun. Well, you have nothing illegal. But I said, no. When I said, step out, I turn off the engine and step out, I care. I said, no. When I said, yes, man. When I said, alright. When I said, you have nothing, boy. But him not search me. I said, no, nothing. Give me Florida license. He must say, where you heading? I said, well, I drop on Bridget and thing. When I said, sir, can you see the speedometer you was going at this speed? And I said, can you see it, sir? I said, yeah. When I said, I have to write to a ticket, I said, we can't manage that right now. So him say, come over here, so come talk to me. We go over there, two of them out there. And I said, well, what do you mean you can't bother with that? I said, I can't bother with that. Tomorrow I left. When I said, well, I know if you want to buy a policeman a juice tonight, I'm not talking Sprite or Pepsi. But give him a $20, Mr. Hollis.
We just come from supermarket. Guess how much on the things I'm gonna pay a supermarket. Wonderful is good. I don't like it. This wasn't mandible back in the day.
It's not, no.
This is not. I like it.
This isn't the mandible we know.
Tomorrow is grandma's birthday. We're gonna cook up and have baby bashment and all them stuff there. So that's the plan for tomorrow. Don't know the plan for the rest of the day today, but see you guys tomorrow a bit. Okay, good morning, good morning. Thus far this vlog may be all over the place because honestly I can pull out the camera if there's nothing to really see. I missed a couple story times. I should have had the camera out and all that like that. Today is Tuesday. We came down Sunday. Today is my grandma's birthday, so we are go over to the main house. We are cook up bae food, get bae liquor, invite bae people and broth. So that's the plan for today. Them say hurricane I come tomorrow. We don't know if that's gonna happen, but we'll see. So just keep watching.
It depends on the airline. Yeah, it depends on the airline.
Alright, this is my cousin. What you saying now?
So we're making a deal. So if she beat me up today, tomorrow in the hurricane, I fight you and then I win and I throw you in there and you just fly away.
Boy, you can't go beat me up if me beat you up. Cause me already done beat you up, you know.
Yeah, you're gonna beat me up today.
Right, so you got crippled. You're done. That's it. Foot mash up, leg mash up. Yeah, gone.
Dad, this is what I do. Call Uncle Morris.
You think Uncle Morris are gonna defend you more than me?
I didn't finish.
Alright, go on.
He passed me the.
Him not gonna pass you nothing.
Dad.
Him not gonna pass you nothing because for me, if you haven't realized, I'm the favorite.
Part B. I get my son right here. He handled the business.
Who? Uncle Mosi?
Yeah.
Uncle Mosi not doing nothing.
Part E.
Let's ask Uncle Morris right now who's the favorite. Get up.
And I'm gonna throw you in.
It's a one by one thing.
Let me see. Let me tote the camera.
So sweet.
Let me tote the camera.
No, I'm not trust you and them. Them too loose. Yeah, and them too loose, brother. Money for? What you need money for?
No.
No.
Yo, how you so smart? Bro? You know my every move.
Out to everybody, you think you can bribe Uncle Morris?
Hell yeah. He literally loves money.
Yeah, but I'm not in need to fight.
Yo, he's gonna help me. You know why he's gonna help me? If you do me really bad today, he's gonna, for me, he's gonna.
No.
Look, Uncle Morris.
Uncle Morris, come here. Say hi. No, I don't want to go over to him and try to whisper nothing. Uncle Morris, who's the favorite, me or EJ?
Yeah.
Yeah, got. Who? Who you prefer, me or EJ?
No, that's not the scenario. It's because she said we made a deal. If she beats me up today,
who's the favorite, me or EJ?
Listen.
Exactly. So me, him, just tell me.
Oh my baby girl, sorry, yeah, sweetie. Oh my. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, pretty. Say hi. Wave and say hi. Hi. So, hurricane come to Jamaica. We didn't know that before we booked the flight. But with them, hurricane come. We're all evacuating to my uncle's house. So yeah, that's how today's going. Hurricane, fun stuff. It don't hit us yet, but sitting there go on. Perfect time to come to Jamaica. Great. Well, I'll keep you updated because not much going on right now. So. Alright, so light cut off. That's my cousin. Light cut off. Outside a tear down. And I have no connection or nothing. I'm supposed to leave. It's Wednesday. I'm supposed to leave on Sunday. Them to the airport not open up until the following Saturday. So when I want to see this and I see this, but that's a predicament. I did not know that a hurricane was coming, but when I darkness right now, I have a little ring light on my house, so but I want pound what I want.
I'm right here.
We got 17 people there in our house right now, you know, everything I mashed up. So the other house over that's there, we left there, and then now all of the family they are one house. 17 are there in our house. So right now I'm gonna boom it on the couch for tonight. Mommy I'm gonna boom it over there up on the couch too. Everybody have a spot still. And then we're just gonna wait out the storm. Right now it's 10:14. It seemed a lot later than that. They say it's supposed to stop rain by 2 a.m. So we're gonna hope that that's the truth. And hopefully I can get my KFC tomorrow because it's just so ghetto. If I knew that all of this was going to happen, I would have never booked my ticket to come down. But it's after the fact I find out all of them sitting here garden. So I go. So I'll see you guys in the morning. 7 a.m. after the hurricane. Outside is very foggy. Put them outside already. Who comes to Jamaica in a hurricane? She said to go with them over there, so the whole of them house frig up. Yeah, everything's all foggy.
Where you been there? That's how they have to know. What you been there?
Do the maths.
Do the maths now.
Me ask you.
7.
He's not a maths bird.
That's 21, 22 then time. So,
I can't bother with you now.
You
You know you're so childish.
said you when you born. Run then said here.
No, but you want to my question.
Chloe.
Man, look at this here. No matter
Say
what
hi.
you say. I mean, I tell you say, remember.
No, I answer one question.
I'm here good morning.
No, I answer one question. What in did there?
No, man. Alright. Last. I look what I was saying.
What in did there?
Last.
Where did they, Jedi? Where did they?
Ask him.
He was 10 years old.
10 years old. At time. So you say me nonsense. I want me to
He could be sense. Yeah, where I'm right now. In vaguely remember. He said
me remember.
Two different. Vaguely remember. I remember is what? Hold on. Remember? Do you remember?
Really. Because I was a child at the time.
Okay, so update. So this video is probably all over the place, but we're gonna have to just take on again. So it is Friday now. Hurricane come Wednesday, wash with the place. Thank God of my uncle's house secure. So we did good for the most part, but here's a mandeville mash up and all them someday. Yesterday, so light lock off, water lock off, everything lock off. So drum water we have to use bed and all these things. So yesterday we never did nothing, we just did it. KFC open by the grace of God, so we get KFC. And then we'll come back to the other house, come sleep last night. Right now we're going to check my other uncles, aunties and all them type of things there. Still can't get that good of connection for check the airport way open up Sunday. Hopefully they are because of everything that's going on, I'm ready to leave. So that's the plan for today. So I will check in with you guys later. When I spend money on certain things, Jamaican people send money for water truck. Look at it. This is Auntie Amoy. What's the plan for today? What's the plan? What's the plan? I know, picture video.
Oh, sorry. Wait, there's no lights in the city. There's no plan.
Everything much up?
Everything much up. We're just gonna stay home
This is Daddy.
This is the father, ties as ever.
A long time. They kept to come school.
Go out with Christian and man trap here over here.
Do you go by the shop?
I couldn't even trap me in the trap here. The road them from dig up now.
All that bamboo them skin out.
Somewhere I see the metal steel and them bend, the whole of them bend one way. So that's why the breeze strong.
Justice Center.
What the hell is that?
Center for Justice. Jamaica always have nice houses, wrong areas.
Yeah, oh hell yes. Cause me would never walk lift part of road, yeah.
Okay, can you guys see this? The bucket of KFC is secured. I'm gonna get my zinger. Food is being shared all around. Alright, so we're there now. Cause bro.
What's your man hand? It's up the syrup, bro. See
Well,
that again.
Jamaica.
Something from Jamaica.
Jesus Christ.
What is that?
Out in them town.
Why Hennessy?
We're getting
Alright, I
Burger
got
King
you.
right now because we
Bye,
eat
Papa.
too much KFC. This is Zoe. This is RJ. Their information will be down in the description if you want to. Alright, we're up at George Reed. This is my grandmother's house behind us. We're gonna help finish the house. Yeah, we have to finish the house.
We have to finish the house.
Come
here, brother.
Gonna finish the Bomba big. Me I spread away. You can't even see the vehicle behind me. Jesus. Yeah, but Zoe met the call.
So me alone I get invited to the party. 4 and 5, you know. But she gave 4 and 5. 4 and 5, you know.
4 this dead.
4 and 5, so 4 and 5.
Dead man, 5 man. 5 like that.
But this time I have one to oh. Oh, okay.
Give me a banana.
Yeah,
Like a bills, man.
Come up there, baby. Come up there. Nice,
Oh, God.
Come up there, stop there.
So now move.
So now move.
I have 5 days, man. I'm not rich kids, you know.
Yes, me no want 5 days in there, just put me in a van.
We're going to Rio.
Rio?
Can't buy me pizza chicken.
We hungry to that side? We're
I
there.
want chips.
Chips.
I want bug juice.
And a bag juice from
Me have
KFC.
soap as well, you know.
So, clean off the
Don't
windscreen,
Marina
right?
white t-shirt. Put it
Yes, clean off the windscreen.
Don't Marina white t-shirt.
Hey, mama.
Huh?
We have a bucket in our bag.
Oh, no. By tomorrow? You think it's will last by tomorrow?
I'm trying to be skinny. I'm gonna make it last. Alright. Final day in Jamaica. We'll leave here in like... Say hi. What's your name? Say hi, everybody. We leave soon to go to the airport. Flight is 6 o'clock. And then we'll be back home. So what you need to say, girl? Say what you need to say. You want to say yourself? Talk to them.
Hi.
Say some stuff. Ask them how they're doing. Say how you doing.
Hi today.
Say subscribe.
First time.
But yeah, we're about to leave out on the might see me at the airport or the might see me in Florida. I don't know because it's just like ghetto over here. So we're gonna pack up and leave. So yeah, that's the plan. We're out of here. Later. Say later.
Bye call. Bye call.
We're at the airport. It's almost 5. We board at 5. 8:44. Reach back 9:20 or them time there. Me mash up that goes. I think that's going to be the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and watch all the way through. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment down in the description your favorite part. We'll talk next time.